Welcome! Happy 4th of July! This is Deronda with Foods 101. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this berry trifle, a fantastic, light, delicious dessert for this 4th of July coming up. We're using blueberries for the blue, we're using strawberries for the red, we're using this angel food cake for the white. Simple and easy to do. Let me tell you the ingredients that go in this. You're going to need 2 cups of whole milk, 1.5 cups of rinsed and dried fresh blueberries, 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, 1 8-ounce container of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 5-ounce container of vanilla yogurt, 1 3-ounce box of your jell-o instant pudding. Make sure it's instant. And we're going to need 4 cups of strawberries. Make sure you clean your strawberries because you don't want the grit and sand that comes off your strawberries once you give them a rinse. You definitely don't want this in your berry trifle. You're going to need 2 cups of strawberries just cut in half, and you're going to need 2 cups of strawberries that we've quartered. Plus, I have 3 whole strawberries that I'm going to use with the green stems on the top to garnish the top of our 4th of July berry trifle. Let me show you how simple and easy this is to get together. Add your instant jell-o pudding into a medium mixing bowl, and we're going to make this according to the back of the jell-o package, which is just adding 2 cups of really cold whole milk. I just use a whisk and whisk it around for 2 minutes until it's looking like this. Nice, thick and rich. Sit this off to the side. In another bowl, I'm using my cream cheese. I just slice it down the center, and I'm going to add cubes here into the bowl because it's going to make it a lot easier to mix when you cube your room temperature cream cheese. Make sure you get it all in there. Add all of your yogurt at once. That smells so yummy. With a mixer, we're going to beat these 2 ingredients until they're nice, light, and fluffy. After 30 seconds, your cream cheese mixture is going to be looking like this. Add your prepared instant vanilla pudding that you whipped together with those 2 cups of whole milk. The hand mixer on low. We're going to combine all these ingredients. Be sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl as you go. This took about 1 minute. Add your entire container of Cool Whip. And if you want to make your own whipping cream, it's only 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and you're going to whip it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium speed. If you don't want to use the Cool Whip, we're going to fold these ingredients in with that Cool Whip until it's lovely and well blended so you don't see any yellow or white streaks. And once it's looking like this, cover with plastic wrap and put in the refrigerator until you're ready to prepare your layers here on your berry trifle. With a serrated knife that have little teeth here on the edge, I'm cutting my angel food cake about 1 inch in slices, and then I'm going to come back and cut in 1 inches, turning it to the left until you get about 1 inch squares. If you want to learn how to make your own angel food cake, check out my YouTube food video below here in the description box to learn how to make your own fresh angel food cake. But if you're in a hurry, you can go ahead and do a store-bought. That's what I've done today. To begin the layers of this berry trifle, you're going to use a 3 to 4 quart glass bowl. I'm using the top of a cake dome. This is a multi-purpose serving dish, and I just turn the cake dome upside down. But you can begin building your layers of this trifle any way you wish. And a really wise thing is, remember that angel food cake, the container it came out of? You can even begin doing it here in the angel food cake container and then adding the bottom as a lid to the top for transporting. If you have a trifle glass dish, of course, that would be the ultimate way to begin layering your berry trifle here. We're going to add 1/3 of that angel food cake down here into the bottom. We're going to add 1/3 of that. Ooh, it smells so yummy. whipped cream mixture with that vanilla pudding, and you're just gonna smooth it out over the edge of your angel food cake. Because remember, we're doing 3 different layers with this. I like alternating with those half berries and the blueberries right here, so you can see on the side of your dish how it's gonna look. So you can just like push it right up here against the glass. It's gonna be beautiful, and people are gonna know what's in your dessert. And then we'll go back and add the blueberries. That looks beautiful. And next, we're just gonna add those 4th slices of strawberries here into the center. If you could smell how fresh, and just look at the beautiful colors on the strawberries and blueberries, the red and the blue. We're gonna come back and we're gonna add the blueberries, about 1/3 of your blueberries, that'll work. We're coming back with the cake layer, another 1/3 right here on the top. Woo! This is gonna be absolutely fantastic, and everybody's gonna love it for our 4th of July get together. Back with that whipped cream mixture. Go around the top, because remember, you want enough of this to polish the top of your trifle here. And again, I'm going around the edge with strawberries and the blueberries, because that's going to give that a lovely little presentation where everybody can see what is in your berry trifle. Add the quartered strawberries. And the great thing about this is you can make it the day before. Cover it with plastic wrap and chill it overnight, and it is going to develop this spectacular flavors, and that angel food cake is going to absorb all this strawberry, blueberry flavoring along with the vanilla pudding mixture. We're just gonna add the blueberries. You wanna leave about this much for the top, or if you have extra blueberries, you may use those too. Okay, I'm gonna use just a few more here. Our last layer of the angel food cake. All right, you may wanna just smash it down in there. Add that remaining vanilla pudding right here on the top. I'm gonna garnish the top. I just made slices with a knife through my strawberries. As you can see the layers, and I just fan it out there and put it right there on the center. I'm just going to add 1/4 slices of my strawberry so you can see the pretty side there of the strawberry. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna add strategically around the strawberries my blueberries, and that is looking absolutely perfect for this 4th of July holiday. And it's a favorite, light, airy, and absolutely scrumptious. I never get a complaint when I take this to any 4th of July gathering. Look how beautiful that is. And look down here at the edges. Everybody will be drooling to sink their teeth into this berry trifle for the 4th of July. It's spectacular and serves many people. Cover and chill up to 5 hours or overnight before serving. I'll be back to let you know what it tastes like. I'm gonna give this a try, but I want to show you the sides of the layers there. Look how beautiful with those strawberries and blueberries and that angel food cake. It's gonna be scrumptious. I'm gonna do it informal. I wanna leave it the way it is because I have a gathering this weekend and I wanna share it with the guests where I'm traveling to. But right there's a strawberry angel food cake. That, ooh, gotta get a little blueberry there. I'm gonna give it a taste and tell you what it's like. Light burst of blueberries, strawberries. I may have to get in here and get me a little bowl of it before I share it with my family and friends. This berry truffle is going to be a hit during your 4th of July holiday. Thanks a million for watching. Give me thumbs up and oh, look at those layers. Leave me a comment. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Happy 4th of July. Stay safe and I'll catch you lovely people later.